Right. So how to choose a vehicle script? So the relevant manual page is in 3.4, and it shows here how to set up all the vehicle scripts. The relevant one is the vehicle script. So what we need to do is to SSH into the EVM of the portable node that's on the vehicle that we want to control. In our example is vehicle 2, right? We have an experiment with 4 vehicles, with 4 nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 4 are vehicles, and we want to set up vehicle number 2. So we SSH into the EVM of vehicle number 2, or the portable node number 2 that's on vehicle number 2. And what we need to do is to first edit this file, start experiment, in order to choose the fact that we want to control the vehicle. So Emacs start experiment.sh, we go at the bottom, we uncomment the vehicle instruction. So now there is a, when we kick the experiment, when we start the experiment, it's going to skip over the radio, it's going to skip over the traffic, and it's going to go directly to the vehicle, and it's going to start the vehicle. Now in order for this to work, so I saved, I'm exiting this, we need to go to profiles, profile scripts, vehicle, and then in here there are 2 directories. There is helpers and samples, and the relevant one is samples, so it's going to be samples, and in here there are 3 samples. By far our most popular is the start pre-planned trajectory, although start GPS logger is an option if you want to fly the drone manually with the GCS. And we also have a start rover search. So let's give an example on how to enable the start pre-planned trajectory. So essentially what you want to do is to copy from samples start pre-planned trajectory into start vehicle.sh, and we are now in /root profiles with vehicles, and now there is a start vehicle.sh here, which is set up in such a way that it will call the pre-planned trajectory, and by default it's going to do its normal up and down the road. So let's proceed with that. So let's start the experiment. So 2, start experiment, and 2 arm, it's armed, and it's enter guided, and it's going to take off momentarily. Right now it goes at 25 meters. Right, the default plan takes all place at 25 meters, and it's going vertically up 25 meters, then it's going to go on its merry way. It's going to return back and land. Right, so it's going right. Similarly, if we want to, instead of having a pre-planned trajectory, we want to run the rover search, instead of copying the start pre-planned trajectory into start vehicle, we copy start rover search. And if we want to just log the GPS, we say start GPS logger into the start vehicle.sh, in which case nothing is going to move, but logs are going to be created with the current GPS position. So nothing is going to move automatically, but can be moved manually. So this concludes the selection of a vehicle script to run. It's going to be separate tutorials on how to run individual vehicle scripts. Okay.